Hey, welcome back to Out to Smoke. I'm Malcolm. Got Mark here with me. And Mark, we have got a dirty pellet grill here today. What are we gonna do, man?
It ain't no what are we gonna do. All I seen was you roll it out and you said this is our next video. So I'm figuring I'm finna do a little maintenance, finna clean a pellet grill.
I see you got your rag, your cleaner, got some aluminum foil. We're gonna show y'all some basic pellet grill maintenance. This needs to happen every couple times you cook. You just wanna make sure you have a clean grill. It's gonna make those cooks better. It's gonna reduce those flare-ups, stop the problems you're having with pellet grills.
That's right. Let's get it clean.
Let's get to cleaning.
So Malcolm, the first thing I like to do when it comes to cleaning a pellet grill is get the hopper clean. We'll get the pellets out of it, vacuum all that dust out of it, and we'll start with a fresh clean hopper before we put the other pellets back in.
So most of these hoppers on pellet grills have some kind of a trap door on the back side where you can open it and dump all those pellets out. Just get you a clean bucket, catch those pellets. You can still reuse them. We just want to vacuum out all that dust.
Right.
Now, if you don't, like one of my pellet grills, I use a plastic cup. I just scoop them out, put them in the bucket, clean it out, you're good to go.
And that's one thing a lot of people forget, you know, over time, dust builds up at the bottom of that. It will eventually cover your auger hole up to where you're not feeding pellets, your pellet grill's not cooking.
Also, if I want to change pellet flavors, I do the same thing. Dump those pellets, get them out of there, pour new flavor in, I'm getting some good smoke.
That's right. So to vacuum the hopper out, I'm gonna go ahead and take this screen out. If you have some vacuum attachments, you can get down between the holes, but I'm just gonna take a few minutes, take these two screws out and get it out of the way so we can clean this hopper good.
So Mark, we got the hopper clean. Now it's time for your favorite part.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you with that.
So all we're gonna do though is clean the inside of the grill, right?
Yep.
Take the grates out, knock them off, take the grease pan out, take the diverter out, take all the guts out.
Yep.
Run that shop vac, get all the dust, any kind of ash that's in there out, put it back together, and then wipe the outside down and we're done.
We're ready to cook. It's not a whole lot to it. If you stay on top of this pretty regular, the inside of a pellet grill does not get that dirty.
Clean grill, better tasting food, that's what we all want.
I agree. So the next thing that has to come out is our drip pan. Now we have aluminum foil on this one. They do make drip pans for them, but if you don't have one, man, some good aluminum foil, all you have to do is roll it up.
Makes cleanup easy, don't it, Mark?
And I always try to do all this inside the grill. That way you keep your mess in the grill. Once you get everything out, you just vacuum it out. We'll kind of shake it off in the grill a little bit. And it's ready to get out of the way. So we got our heat deflector. We'll get it out of the way, shake it off as well. And Malcolm, it's time to get the vacuum out. So you can tell we got all the ash out, all the dust. Now we do have some buildup around the bottom. I'm just gonna take a screwdriver, kind of break that up, and we'll vacuum that out as well. And we're ready to vacuum that dust out, and we'll be putting everything back together. So we got the grill back together. We got one more step before we actually polish it up, make it shine. What is it, Malcolm?
So the old grease bucket, we gotta replace that liner. This helps keep that grease bucket clean. I don't even know if this one has a liner
I don't
in
think it does.
Let's look at it, Mark. We ain't getting too crazy with cleaning our grease
Yeah.
bucket. But we are gonna drop a fresh liner
Looks
in.
like a brand new one now. Right back on she goes. So Malcolm, all the internal parts, everything that makes this pellet grill work has been cleaned, wiped down, we're ready to go. Now it's your turn to make it look good.
And all we do is use a grill cleaner. You want a food safe grill cleaner. We're just gonna spray this grill down and just get a soft touch rag. You can use paper towel if you want to. Anything really. We're just gonna wipe it down. So Mark, we got the outside of the grill looking good. We got the inside covered. The hopper's been cleaned. It's got new pellets in it. We're ready to go to cooking, right?
Time to get it dirty again.
The main thing is, with your basic pellet grill maintenance, keep that grill clean every couple cooks. That's the best advice we can give you. It's not hard to do. Take the time, do it. It'll make your food taste better. It'll save you any problems down the road. Hey, we appreciate y'all hanging out here with us today. Y'all can find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Out to Smoke. Mark, where can they find you on your channel?
Y'all can find us at Swine Life BBQ on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and now TikTok. We appreciate it. Let us know if you got any questions.
And y'all know I'm over on HowtoBBQRight too. Appreciate y'all checking it out. We'll see y'all next time.